Hello everyone. Well, this is our big giveaway day, and these are the small prizes. Be sure and be back next week because there are going to be some other things ready to be given away then. And anybody can win as long as you're subscribed to the channel. So I think you have to be subscribed in order to comment. Before I give you the names, I do want to say this. There were several people this week who commented on the videos, but you failed to put the state where you live in the comment. And that's part of it. You have to do both, your state and an additional comment. So if you did not add your state, I can't count it. And it has to be in the main comment. If you put a comment on there and you realize that you did not add your state, you can go back. There's 3 little dots on the right hand side of your comment. Click on those 3 little dots and it'll give you the option to edit. And so you can go there and fix it. But for this week's giveaways, the first one was the first beef base. I don't remember if that was the one with the Mexican seasonings. I believe it might have been. But the winner on that one for a set of the superb canning lids is Susan Green. And then the next one was also another ground beef video, also for a set of the lids. And this one is Pam Ellison. And then the next one was when I was canning hamburgers. And that one is, and I hope I'm getting this name, the last name right. It's Juanita, and I think it's Sims, S-I-E-M-S. And that was for the little sealer. And then the steak and roast video was Marie Fair, I think is maybe the way you pronounce it, or Fire. I think she might have been from New York. But anyway, she's the one that won the scrubber. So if you all will go back to your video and look in the description under the video, you will find my email address. And your email must have your name on it. But send me your name and address, and I will get these in the mail to you, possibly tomorrow, but at the latest on Monday. I'm doing a live class tomorrow, so I'm not sure how much time I'm going to have. But at the very latest, it will go out on Monday. And so be sure and get me your information as soon as possible so that I can get those in the mail to you. And next week, I know there's some good stuff. There's a jar sealer that's going to go on one next week. And a bunch of other stuff. So anyway, be watching. I'm hoping I'll get another video out today. I've got something I want to show you all on that first beef base that I did that had the onions and peppers and garlic in it that so far nobody has mentioned. So I'm going to show you that hopefully later today. So anyway, until the next time, God bless you all.